meeting Oggy at Starbucks, and then we ain't got no plan for today. Let's see where we'll go.
Like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me.
Oggy's going for a shit at Starbucks, Middlewich, stink the place out. He's got some new boots, and he's got, I don't know if you can see it over there, he's got a little tank bag he's bought now. Oh, he's getting into it. He's getting into it, the prick.
So look at your new tank bag, Og. Oh mate, that's lovely, isn't it? That is lovely. Little brown suede shoes. Oh, nice. Could you unzip that now? Or is it fastened? Just put my tin in just so my backy don't dry out. May as well test it out, haven't we? Come on, Og, there's no need to be like that. You've got that for us both, haven't you? Got that for us both. Love it. Right, Grindleford. Here we come. Oh, feels a lot better without my backy tin in my pocket. Oh, that was a good buy you've got there. Beautiful. There he is. Okay, now we've got him back. We've got him back. Superfly Og. Ow, something hit me fucking knee, then that stung. Something flew in at me knee. No, I think it was your fucking tank bag came off. Oh, here we go. Fucking cyclists. Look at them, the bastards, mate. I hate them. They're on double solids, aren't they? These fuckers won't cross. They're not rebels like us, Og. So you get any opportunity, you get past the bastards. Oh my god. What are we doing, 10 mile an hour? They're not even good cyclists, are they? At least do 20. We did well there, Og. We did well there. Go on, lad. You're on your own. You've won this. You fucking won this, lad. They're way back. Look at him, plodding on. Not a care in the world. Tell you what, Oggy. See, if you find anywhere, pull up. I'm going to flick this to that time warp and just try it. Now I've set the setting. We'll try a bit of time warp, mate. are you? Oh, bloody. Don't be arguing with the sat-nav, Og. If she said it's right, we turn right, not left. Anywhere we can, Og. Yeah, we can get there. There's fucking plenty of fucking space up there, you big twat. Fucking big twat, fucking. Right, I'll just order us a taxi. I'll order us a fucking taxi, get to the calf. You fucking bell cap. Bell cap from fucking Belfield, whatever that is. Oh god, Oggy. Think you're hard, don't you? Oh, I've got my box empty now. Oh, get us me tin out. I'm having it. Let me fucking. Let's fucking unzip there, see if I can pull zip off for him. Do you need fags getting out? Well, that's beautiful, that, isn't it, Og? Oh, you got a little padlock thing there and all. Nice. Nice, Oggy. Right, you ready or what? Because I'm down for a piss. Let's go get a table.
A bit like you. You're a cunt.
Oh, there he is, the star of the show. Oggy, who's can of pop. Just ordered sausage, egg, chips and beans, Grindleford.
Where's my tenner back?
No, I'm going to tenner back.
Where's my tenner? You said you don't need it, tenner.
There we go. Grindleford.
You said you didn't need that 20 quid.
I didn't think I needed it.
£2 change, you come.
No need for all that swearing on, is there?
No.
That's for you next
Thank
week.
you. Thank you. Couple of days.
Nice little cappuccino. Oggy's charging his headset, because he forgot.
No, I put it on charge. It fucking went like that last night. The red light on it.
Did it go off though, the red light?
Oh, I didn't see it on this morning when I unplugged the cunt.
Cost you a tenner, use the battery charge out of that.
You know that. No, don't need that much. Don't need it, tenner.
Yeah, well, I had money on me.
Yeah.
I had money on me, the Ramblers,
Money out, fucking Queen blinks. Ain't seen sunlight for fucking years.
38, 39.
Bloody hell. 40. We're 45, Og. Can't wait. Can't wait for me diet chips and that. It's beautiful. Yeah. Good looking lad, I am. Alright. Alright. Oggy getting his salt on for them babies. Hey, look at him. How much salt on there?
What?
Look at that. Cheeky, now look at that. You've got a white chip there. You've got that much salt on.
I've got to shake my plate, yeah, haven't I? Don't worry.
I'll tell you what, heart attack. There's the heart attack. It's going beaky to an heart attack and shit's blowing around everywhere. He's putting more on. He's putting more on.
Yeah, I didn't get underneath
Oh
there.
my god, look at that. That ain't normal. Heart attack. Look at that. More salt. You put another one on after that and all.
It's got to go down.
It's got to go down. It's not going to go anywhere. Come
Weirdo, get it out of my face now, you dick.
on. Right, so I'll turn you off because I don't want you to see him dying. Okay. I'll film him on the floor.
Yeah, that's a picture they put on.
Oh, beautiful.
Why are you filming me all the time, you weirdo?
I love filming you, like. You're like a local hero around these parts. I'm waiting for someone to drop the bike here so you can run out like fucking Captain Chaos. Dun dun dun! Helpful.
Don't talk to me.
Oh my
Don't talk to me.
god. Oggy. Little Oggy here. What do you think of your chips?
Yeah, they're alright. Alright. A couple of crispy ones.
There was a couple of crispy ones.
Oh.
There's Oggy's. That's mine.
Didn't think much of the sauce. Like Heinz. Wasn't Heinz.
Oh, he's very picky on his tomato sauce. It's got to be Heinz, and it wasn't. Yeah, you like McDonald's sauce, don't you?
Yeah, yeah.
And that's not Heinz, is it?
No, but it's a sweet taste.
Oh, it's a sweet taste.
158.
Sweet like honey. There he is again. Where are you? Let's go have a wander in then.
Indicators on that. It's alright, that does.
Well, you don't have them. You can't get them for my bike. Have a look.
That looks better with that, how that is. That number plate down there.
Tridents. Don't like them, you know, the Tridents. Don't think they're nice.
That would look fucking alright at the back end of yours. And all that setup.
Yeah. No, it's yeah, but I'm not bothered now. Oh, fuck me in there. Drop my camera there. Rain my arse, Ogg.
You've been here since?
No.
Hey.
No.
Just through this bit, that's all you. Yeah.
Oh yeah, fuck me, that's changed. That's nice.
What's inside that top then? Must be for a fucking 10-year-old.
Yeah, they really should clean the bikes there. Dirty little buggers they are. Oh, someone had some squidgy black then, I could smell it. Yeah, I don't see why not. Get in there, Ogg, before any other twat goes. Go on, circle it round now. He might only have one arm.
A few moments later.
feeling confident, aren't you, Og? Love it. I love your confidence. You dickhead. Did you stall it? Yeah, beautiful. End of his perfect ride, he stalled. Got it on camera. Beautiful. I fucking saw you, mate. I was recording, you stalled. What are you coming up inside of me for there, you fucking freak? Go on, leave it on. Leave it on. No. Well, Oggy, that was unexpected. That Sunday dinner. It was a low-fat Sunday dinner to go with my low-fat sausage, egg, chips and beans. So wait, he'll still be dropping off me. That is a good lad. Push your way through sometimes, though, don't you? Still going. That was a beautiful little run up there, wasn't it? Make sure there's no police on the left here. No, none. Beat that rain, Og. Let's beat that rain. Don't like that road, they normally get in there and all coppers. Looking at her arse in front now, may as well stay here. She's owning it. She doesn't know the VeryStrangeBikers are behind her, does she? She doesn't know what's going through my head about her buttocks, does she? Oh no. Oh, I shouldn't be thinking it, love, I shouldn't be thinking it. I'm through. Fucking love these roads, don't we, Og? Love them, mate. What's this fucking clown doing? Reverse my ass, you howdy bastard. Just watch it. There's a turning on the right just in case they go and turn. I don't want to fucking film you dying, because that I couldn't put on. If you just lose a limb, I'll put it on, but no dying, Og. Oh yeah, I wanna jerk you off. Oh yeah, I wanna jerk you off. He put you off then, didn't he? About now? And fucking proper stuff. What a bonus though. Didn't expect that. Our broth's fucking full Sunday dinner waiting for me. Do you want to take it with you? No, I'll have it now. I'll have it in the restaurant I'm eating in. It's beautiful. Oh, I've had a good day, Ogg. I've had a good day. Grindleford, Superbike factory, J&S, and then broths for a Sunday dinner. Magic. Sundays, honestly, Sundays don't get much better. They really don't. Oh no, yeah. Tons of beef wrapped up in foil, bring home with me. That will wear your tank bag in, that will. Your new tank bag, stinking of meat.